I fell asleep in a snowbank. That night you pulled me out alive. I fell asleep in a snowbank. That night you pulled me out alive. Do you remember that fateful New Year's Eve? It was the first time that we kissed. If you believe it anymore, I just don't know.
Yes, I do remember that I had kissed before. You were attracted to me then, but no longer anymore.
No, I understand. You see me as a friend, although I saw a little more than I should have in the end. But now we're
forgetting.